Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to run multiple Google Chrome for multiple different login account on laptop. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser over here. So I just have only one login with my Google Chrome. So this is the login ID. So now I just want to create a new profile to have a multiple account over here. So when I log in, it will show my login multiple accounts. So I can able to log in with my official, personal and data storage. What I have to do here? So in your Google Chrome, on your right hand side, you will find a three dots option. Just hit the button and just go to your account, that is sign in account, and just go to add a new profile. So once you click here, automatically it will open like a pop-up. Now set up your new Chrome profile so that sign in and get your password and more all in your devices. Yes, you can use sign in or continue without account. I just want to sign in with my account. So this is my HowXT account, HowXT1@gmail.com, so that it will be login with my password, so that it will be easy to have access with that. So simple and easiest way you can create your new profile over here. So unfortunately my password is wrong, so that I can able to move into the next password or next user ID to create. I just want to create a profile picture and I just log in with my account. It's my official account, so I just type my password and I just log in with this. Yes, my profile is ready now, so I can log in with my new ID. So that next option, yes, I'm in, and this is my new profile. So those are the two profile account as I created over here. So I just close this option, and once I open Chrome browser, so you just see this, my profile will be pop up in two options as you see here. So I can add more profile and I can log in with my both accounts over here. So I just want to add account, I can add the account according to my need. Without account also I can able to log in and use this option. So using this, and you can create your profile or delete your profile according to your needs. So simple and easiest way. If you want to delete your account, just click here to delete or edit, or you can add more account. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.